Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam from sloka number 91. Naputra maranam kinchit drakshyanti purushah kvachit naryascha vidhava nityam bhavishyanti pativrataah. In the Ramarajya, men never saw the death of their children, and women were always sumangalis and virtuous. न चाग्निजं भयं किञ्चित् नाप्सु मञ्जन्ति जन्तवः न वा तजं भयं किञ्चित् नापि ज्वरकृतं तथा. In the kingdom of Rama, there was no fear of fire, and no human beings died by drowning in the water, and there was no fever, and there was no fear from wind. न चापि क्षुद्भयं तत्र न तस्करभयं तथा नगराणि च राष्ट्राणि धनधान्ययुतानि च. Towns and countries were filled with full of grains and wealth, and all the people daily lived very happily, as like those in Krita Yuga, how people are very happy, like that in Ramarajya, all were very happy. Nityam pramudita sarve yatha Krita Yuge tatha Ashvamedha Shatairištva Tatha Bahu Suvarnakaihi. Rama, with immense fame, having performed 100,000 horse sacrifices, and he did all the good things like Krita Yuga. Gavam kotyayutam dattva ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति असंख्येयं धनं दत्वा ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायशाः. Having given in charity a lot of gold, having given 10,000 crores of cows and lot of wealth to Brahmins, and he is planning to attain the world of Brahma. Rajavamshachatagunan sthapayishyati Raghavah chaturvarnyam cha lokesmin sve sve dharme niyokshyati. Rama is going to establish 100 times more royal families. He is going to make the fourfold caste to engage themselves in the duties of their particular caste. Dashavarcha sahasrani Dashavarcha shathani cha Ramo rajyamupasitva Brahmalokam gamishyati. After ruling this world for 10,000 years, he is going to attain the world of Brahma. Idam pavitram papagnam punyam vedaischa sammitam yah pathed dramacharitam sarva papaih pramuchyate. Those who read this story of Rama, which is very holy and which is capable of removing all sins, which gives holy deeds, and which is equivalent to Vedas, and who read this would get rid of all their sins. Etadakhyanamaayushyam Pathan Ramayanam Naraha सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः प्रेत्य स्वर्गे महीयते. Those who read the history of Sri Rama, which gives more life, would, along with their sons, relatives, and friends, would live in heaven after their death. पठन् द्विजो वागृषभत्वमीयात् स्यात् क्षत्रियो भूमिपतित्वमीयात् वणिक्जनः पन्यफलत्वमीयात् जनश्च शूद्रोऽपि महत्वमीयात्. A Brahmin who read this history of Sri Rama will attain mastery over all the worlds, and Kshatriya will get land, and Vaishya would get more business, and Shudras would get more fame. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये श्रीमद्बालकाण्डे श्रीरामायणकथा संक्षेपो नाम प्रथमः सर्गः समाप्तम्.